The following is a coastal flood warning from the National Weather Service for the following counties in New Jersey: coastal ocean and inland ocean. What? Up to 1 foot of inundation above ground level in low-lying areas near shorelines and tidal waterways along Barnegat Bay. Where? Ocean and coastal ocean. When? Until 6 p.m. this evening. Impacts: numerous roads may be closed. Low-lying property including homes, businesses, and some critical infrastructure will be inundated. Some shoreline erosion will occur. Additional details: areas of minor to moderate flooding will continue to impact the back bays of Ocean County through this evening. Elsewhere, high tide has passed and water levels will continue to recede. Please continue to heed any remaining road closures as excessive runoff from rainfall may continue to result in flooding of roadways and urbanized areas. Take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property. If travel is required, do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth.